Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable crypto scam protection using Google Advanced Protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable crypto scam protection using Google Advanced Protection, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address linked to your Google account and click Next. Input your password and click Locate the Security tab on the left side of the Google account dashboard. Scroll down to the Advanced Protection Program section. Click on Get Started to begin the enrollment process. Review the information presented regarding the benefits of advanced protection. Click on Enroll to proceed. You may need to verify your identity using a second factor, such as a mobile device. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up two-step verification if you haven't done so already. Next, you will need to register a security key for added protection. Choose your security key type, either a USB security key or a Bluetooth key, based on your preference. Insert the USB key into your computer or follow the instructions to set up a Bluetooth key. Press the button on the security key as prompted on the screen. Once registered, review the settings for additional protective features. Check the options for blocking untrusted apps and services. Enable any necessary notifications for suspicious activity. Confirm your choices and click Done to activate the protection. You have successfully enabled Google Advanced Protection to help safeguard against crypto scams. Regularly monitor your account and stay informed about potential threats to maintain your security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.